Okay, now let's create the hole from this plane. Okay, that's great. Now let's think whatever we are doing, it's like a solid model. Okay, and this time let's create a circle at a diameter of 12 mm. Okay, 12 mm, and then let's give the dimensions from here to here. Is that? Oh, it's already there. Let's cancel it. Where it is, there should be. Let's keep it 22, and let's keep this that one more dimension. Okay, and okay, let's go for geometric constraint. Let's make this center point. Okay, collinear horizontal alignment landscape. These to this. Let's start taking. My God, there is a dimension that is not visible. It seems cancel it. Let's give one more dimension. Let's try. Why it's not taking? Okay, skip it. Oh, this is the problem. Close it. This one we have reference to somewhere else. That should not be hidden. Okay, now it seems okay, and extrude symmetrically and subtract the material and apply some extrude symmetrically using 40 mm or 25 something. Okay, remove that, subtract it from the body. Okay, show result, apply this one. Okay, next thing is fine edge blend. Apply. Let's apply at these two points first. Okay. Let's see. Okay, and this one, and this one. Apply. Okay, let's try to give here also some 3 mm. Okay, okay, this place it's getting cancelled. Let's give it age planned at this point and at this point. Apply, and at this point let's keep it 1 mm then. Now it's disconnecting. Let's select this also. Let's select this. This works. And let's select this, this, and this. Okay, this. This works. this, this, and then this. Okay, apply, close it. One more stuff, one more stuff. Let's to give. Okay, let's create one more datum plane. Datum plane from this point. Let's create a datum plane offsetting this right plane by some 25. Since okay, leave it, no problem. Let's keep it 22 nearest. Apply. And in this plane, let's create us an extrude in this plane, and let's create that circle each of 12. The diameter, let's keep it 14. I have some on 15. Let's keep it 16 then. Okay, and here also we have reference to the wrong stuff. Okay, this one should be 0. Okay, and this one should be 22, I think. Okay, perfect. Close it and freeze the sketch, and let's store it by 22 mm plus 3 mm. So 25. So let's extrude it by 5 mm in the reverse direction. Okay, it's subtracted. Okay, it's subtracting. Yes. Okay. Let's take the mirror of this feature, mirror of this feature to this plane, to this plane. Apply. Okay. And another stuff is what? Yes. The final stuff here is we are going to create a revolve. Revolve in this plane. Okay, the sketch for wooding. Okay, let's create a small rectangle here. Okay, and this one, let's keep it 36 then. Okay, and this one, let's keep it 1 mm down. Okay, 19, so 18.5. Okay, close it. And this one, let's keep it just 1 mm. Okay, and this one, let's make it stronger by giving some value. Close it. Sketch, click constraint. Okay, finish the sketch and revolve it about the Z axis. Okay, and the point Z axis, let's subtract it. Okay, apply. And using this revolve for linear pattern so that the vector is in the Z direction but in the reverse. Two cones. Let's keep it. Some 4 mm then. Let's review it. Okay. Let us. Otherwise, let's keep it. Let's keep it at 3 mm then. And show result. Looks okay then. It seems we have completed the one more stuff here. Let's give chamfer of 1 mm at this point. Works so that let's give only 0.5 mm then. That's more than sufficient. Okay, apply. You can give chamfer here also. It's too much information in one video. So we have learned the basic steps of surface modeling and created a simple piston. Thank you for watching this video. Okay, simple basic surface modeling techniques to create a piston. Okay, thank you for watching this video.